Hey, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today is not a coupon day. Well, y'all, I'm doing my first, well, no, let me back up. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and like this video, like my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? So when I'm bringing you these hauls, these deals, these unboxing, which today is going to be an unboxing, okay? Let's see. I don't want to call it a luxury unboxing, but it is an unboxing, and I haven't done this before. This is so new to me as far as doing my first unboxing, okay, on this channel. I usually bring coupons, or I might do a little haul here and there of clothes. But I haven't done a whole lot. Majority of my channel is coupons, okay? And also, I used to do a lot of Dollar Trees. So I decided that I was going to do an unboxing today. I actually get luxury items, but I don't know what I don't be thinking to unbox them so you all can see them. You know, it might help someone out that wants to go and purchase them. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna reach down because the box is right here on the floor. So let me go ahead and pick up the box, okay? So this box right here, I have opened it, but I have not seen them, okay? I opened the box, and then that's when I opened it, I was like, hey, maybe I can do an unboxing and show them what I got, you know, what I ordered. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it here. Okay. Like I said, I had already tore this part, and then that's when I was like, let me go ahead and unbox it for everybody. Now, the item that I got, you can wear these items in the spring and in the summer. Some people wear them, you can wear them in the fall if you want, you know. Some people wear them in the winter. They wear them all year round now. You know, you used to not could wear them after Labor Day. They said, you know, back in the day, they used to say you cannot wear this color in the fall after Labor Day until spring comes back. But now everybody wears this color all year round, okay? And I got these tennis shoes. I had seen I forgot where I had seen them at. I had seen them on, I had seen this item on High Low Lux channel, okay? Because I was looking for some, but I'm going to show you in a few minutes. And I was like, oh my goodness, I need to get those because I need those in my life. I really do. I need those in my life. So let's go ahead and show you a little bit. All right. So see it? Coach. Yes. I don't consider Coach as a top luxury. I mean, some people might, you know, but me personally, I don't see Coach as a luxury item. I put this in a category next to the luxury items. My luxury items that I see is Gucci, Prada, Louis Vuitton, Balenciaga, you know, on up, you know. But Coach can be expensive, you know. I'm not going to say that they can't. Coach can be expensive, okay? But today, what I got, girl, open this. And here is, you get, and I like the box. Don't you like the box where it's coming from the inside? It says the name on the front. I like that. And then right here, this paper with the little symbol, you get, and I like the box. Don't you like the box where it's coming from the inside? It says the name on the front. I like that. And then right here, this paper with the little symbol. They got the symbol. I'm sorry, y'all. Got something in the way. It's got a symbol right here, a Coach's symbol. Right there. I like that. So let me open it up. And you get a card from Coach telling you thank you for shopping at Coach. And then, let's see. And this is not sponsored by Coach, okay? This is not sponsored by Coach. I bought this with my own money. No sponsorship, no nothing. Bought this with my own money, okay? So, you just get a Coach. You get one of their thank you cards. And it's just telling you, you know, thank you for your purchase and everything. And how long Coach has been around. Coach has been around since 1941. So that's a long time. And then, you know, if you have any questions or whatever, they have you that. So let me put that down there. Then here is the box. Here is the box. Oh, here's something else. Hold on. Let's see. I got this from Coach. And let's see what it is. I think it's the paper. Oh, okay. It's my receipt. It's my receipt of how much I paid for it. Okay, I paid actually $125 for these, okay? $125 for these. And like you see in the box, they are like some shoes, okay? They are some shoes. And I like their box. It's a nice black box. Let me sit this down here on the floor. I like this box. So, this is the box. It's got this little thing on the top where you can, sorry y'all, it's getting warm here, so they are riding motorcycles. So let's open it. Let's open the box. Let's open, oh, the tissue paper is nice. It's got Coach written all over the tissue paper. And then, here, let me bring it out. Bingo. Some nice white leather Coach tennis shoes. This can go with, I've been looking for some, y'all just don't know. I've been looking for some white tennis shoes for spring and summer. You know, white does get dirty quick, but when I seen these on High Low Lux video, I was like, oh, I have to have those. I'm so sorry. I have to get those. So, yeah, it has like a leather right here, and it is their symbol. Their, you know, that they go by for Coach. And then you see the Coach tag over here. And then on the back, it says genuine, what is that? Genuine, I don't know. Something leather. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce the word, but I'm going to show you back there. There it is. I hope y'all can see it. There it is. Yeah, I need some glasses. But I just love these. Don't they look nice? Just nice. And it's got the Coach on the back. On right here. It's got Coach written going right there. These are so nice. And then at the bottom, you can see the bottom if you want. There you go. Let's see, Coach. Right there. These are a size 9. Okay, so these are a size 9. I actually wear a size 8.5, but in tennis shoes and like heels and sandals and stuff, I always go up in a size 9 because I love to feel, I have to feel my toes in the inside. I don't like my toes be crumbled up. I wear, like I said, I can wear 8.5. But I just go for a 9 for a little extra room. That's it. Just a little extra room. So let me take these. Let's see. Take this out right here. Oh, and it has Coach in the inside too. See that in the inside? It has Coach. So these are nice quality leather. Nice, nice, nice. Oh, and then it's got like around here, it's a little shiny, like patent leather. Yeah, it's like patent leather going around here. But yeah, that's what I got, y'all. I got me some white, and I'm pretty crisp. This is crisp white. White tennis shoes. And I love the leather right here. These can go with anything, everything. So, you know, Hey, I'm gonna have to keep these, but I'm looking for some more white ones too, not just these, but I'm looking for some more white ones because I have to have me some white tennis shoes. I have been looking for some for so long, and I mean y'all, so long, okay? But yeah, these my unboxing. I'm gonna show y'all also when I put them on my feet and show y'all how they look. Go ahead and try them on, so you all. I'm gonna go ahead and try the tennis shoes on, so you all can see how they look on your feet, and how I'm gonna show you how comfortable they are. I hope they are comfortable because I have to have me some comfortable tennis shoes. Okay, all right, thanks.